Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by physically patching the signal, DAW line out into the compressor input, then compressor output back to your interface. Make sure levels match so you're not adding unwanted distortion. Set the interface and compressor meters to unity. Once done, disable direct hardware monitoring on the interface so the DAW's return track is the only monitored source. This immediate setup prevents phase and level surprises and gets you ready to hear compression applied in context inside the session. Next, you dial compressor parameters while listening to the tracked material. Start with attack and release values that suit the instrument. Fast attacks tame transients, slow attacks preserve punch. Choose a ratio based on intent. Low ratios for glue, higher ratios for control or limiting, then lower the threshold until you see consistent gain reduction. Makeup gain restores perceived level. Always compare bypass versus engaged. If you hear pumping, make the release longer or reduce ratio. Small moves matter for musical results. Finally, integrate compression into the mix. Use parallel compression or printed re-recording to taste, and automate the compressor or makeup gain for sections that need variance. Make sure to use sidechain filtering or alternate key sources to avoid low-frequency pumping. If things go wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Check polarity and phase between dry and return signal, bypass the hardware chain to isolate the problem, and confirm DAW latency compensation. Once resolved, print or commit the process track and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.